Hello folks, hope you're doing great and welcome back to another brand new episode. So today I'm gonna show you how can you boost your internet connection using DNS. So start with the DNS is a domain name server and it translates a domain name like youtube.com, google.com or facebook.com into an IP address that internet servers understand. And the faster your DNS translator is, the faster your surfing will be on the internet. Now, normally your ISP provides you with your DNS server and it's relatively fast, but there are some faster ones out there and they are called OpenDNS servers. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change your DNS server to an OpenDNS one and see if it's faster for you. So head over to your taskbar and on the lower right corner you will find your Wi-Fi network logo. Just right click on it and choose Open Network in Sharing Center. Now you will see a window will appear just like this, which is the Open Network and Sharing Center, and from here you're gonna wanna click on this Wi-Fi name on the connection section. Now you will see a little window appear. Head over to the properties from here. Now you will see another tiny window pops up. Here select Internet Protocol version for TCP IPv4 and then click on properties. Now you will see another window pops up and here we can change the DNS server from automatically being received them our ISP and manually instead of obtain DNS server address automatically choose this. Use the following DNS server address. In preferred DNS server type 1, 1, 1 and 1 and the alternate DNS server is going to be 1001 and once you have them correct then you can go down here and click OK and then we can go ahead and close everything. Now we are using the new OpenDNS servers and now we can test our surfing response time here. I'm going to open up my Chrome as my internet browser. Well, if I type youtube.com, YouTube, as you can see the speed is awesome, the surfing is awesome. If I type ask the nerd, whoa, it actually worked. Let's click on this. Let's go into the video section. Let's play this one. As you can see, the DNS server actually worked. Let's choose 720p HD. Oh my god, you can see the buffering is worked good. We are using the 720p HD quality. So that's how you can boost your internet's connection using DNS. If you feel this video helpful, give a thumbs up. If you do that, it will definitely encourage me to do more amazing content for you. And if you want to see more, subscribe to my channel. You're watching Ask the Nerd and this is your host Umar Khande. Cheers, have a good one. Catch you guys soon for the next video. Peace out.